Next one, let me ask Toby. What method you want to use? Decimal or fraction?
I always use fraction.
Yeah, fraction is way easier, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Which
16 over 100 multiply with 850.
zero cut zero.
What else?
5 10 to 5 wait 10 to 2
And 85 too?
5 to 17
Okay. What else can cut?
2 cut 16 and
So
we
2
get
will change to 1. 16 will change to
8
8. And what is 8 times 17?
136.
Very good, Toby. All right, next one. Let me ask Good. What do we have for this one? Good?
15
Mm-hmm.
over 100
Mm-hmm. Times?
and 760.
Okay, what can cut?
0.
Mm-hmm. What else can cut? What about 15 and 10? Can they cut?
Yes.
Yes. So 15 change to? Both can divide by 5, yes? So 15 changes to?
5.
Hey, 15 changes to 3, yes? Understood? Good. We divide with 5, yes?
Yes.
So and 10 changes to?
5.
No. Look here, good. We have 15 over 10 like this, yes? Now we divide with 5 over 5, which is 3 over 2, correct?
Okay. I didn't do that one yet.
Okay. Let me take this out. So this changes to 2. Now what else can cut? Can 2 and 76 cut?
Yes.
2 change to 1. 30 how much?
38.
Okay, and what's the answer?
114.
114. Very good. All right, Toby, your turn. Let's do this one. So what do we have?
Again?
Let's go again. Let's bring on the loop.
Uh,
We only have 6 students here, so you will come every 5 questions for sure.
fraction.
So 10 over 100 multiply with
39.
what can cut?
0 cut 0.
So what's the answer?
3.9.
3.9. Very good, Toby. All right, guys, I'm going to start doing now, okay? Let me ask Good. Good? So which method did you use? Did you use the fraction method or the decimal method?
Fraction.
Okay. You know what, guys? I will do both the methods here, okay? There are 2 methods, right? I'll do both the methods. First one is the fraction. So 15%, how do you write it as a fraction?
15 over 100.
Okay, so let me write it here. 15 over 100 multiply with 14.80. Yes, good?
Yes.
The second one, guys, the decimal method is you can do 0.15 multiply with 14.80, okay? So whichever method you do, the answer would be the same. So if you use method number 1 and method number 2, whichever method you do, the answer would be the same. All right, good. What did you do now? What can simplify?
I use 10 and 15 first.
So you simplified 15 and 100?
I cut 0 out.
Oh, you cannot cut 0 out. When there is a decimal, guys, you cannot cut the 0. All right? You can only cut the 0 if it is a whole number. For example, if you have 250 over 100, then you can simplify the zeros. But if you have 25.0 over 100, you cannot cut it. You cannot do that. Okay, guys, do not make this mistake now. You can only cut the zeros when it is a whole number. When it is the decimal, you cannot cut the zeros after the decimal. Understood? Good?
Okay.
All right. So, or what you guys can do is whenever you have a decimal, it is easier to do the decimal method, okay? But whichever you do, the answer will be the same. Good, let's do it together, okay? So 15 and 100 both can divide by what?
5.
5, right? Both can divide by 5, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so 15 changes to what?
I think I do wrong.
It's okay, we'll do it together. We'll do it together now. Don't worry about it. What is 15 divided by 5?
3.
3. What is 100 divided by 5?
20.
20, right? So now we have 3 multiplied with 14.8 over 20. Yes? All right. Now let me ask Toby.
Yes.
What is 3 times 14.8?
3 times 14.8 is
Mhm.
4.
What do we have? Let's do it here then. 14.8 multiplied with 3. What is 3 times 8?
44.4.
Very good. So we have 44.4 divided by 20. What is 44.4 divided by 20? So what do we have here? 44.4 divided by 20, yes? All right, what will we have here, Toby? On the top, the quotient, what do we have?
2.22.
2.22. So we have 2.22 will be the answer. So 20 times 2 is 40 minus 4, and 4 will come down, put a point. 2 is 40 minus 4, and we add 0, and then we have the remainder, right?
It's
Very
a bit
good.
of a tongue twister there.
2.22. Now we are coming to the final answer. Final answer. All right, let me change the pen. So how much did Marco pay including the tip? So what was his bill at first? Let me ask Jumper. What was the bill before the tip? What was the bill before the tip? How much was it?
14.8.
Very good. So total is 14.80 plus 2.22. All right, Jumper, let us add it up. What do we have? What is 0 plus 2?
2, 8, 2, yeah.
What is 8 plus 2?
10,
Okay. What is 1 plus 4 plus 2?
7,
What is 1 plus nothing? 1, correct? So Marco paid $17 and 2 cents, all right? 17 and 2 cents for his dinner. All right, guys? Now, guys, if you use the decimal method, so 14.80 multiplied by 0.15, the answer would have been the same, all right? The answer would have been the same. If you did the multiplication, the final answer would have got 2.22 also. All right, so whichever method you do, the answer will be the same. Let's go to the next question right here. All right, let me highlight the important part. So there are 620 students at Irena school, okay? 620 students. Out of the 620 students, 45% have attended at least one other school. So how many students have attended more than one school? All right, let's get to it, guys. All right, so step number 1, let's understand what we know from the question. So we know that there are 620 students in the school, right? So let's write that down. Total is 620 students. Now, out of this, 45% have attended at least one school, okay? เข้าโรงเรียนอย่างน้อย1โรงเรียน, okay? So question number 1, how many students have attended more than one school? More than one school. So let's see. So first, 45 over 100 multiply with 620, right? 45 over 100 times 620. All right, what can simplify? 0 and 0 can simplify, right? Now 45 and 10 we can divide by 5. 45 will change to 9 and 10 will change to 2. Now what else can simplify? Toby, what can simplify? 2 will change
2
to
and
what?
62.
62 will change to what?
We'll change to 31.
31. Now, what is 9 times 31? What is 9 times 31?
279.
Very good. So 279 students have attended more than one school. Now, question number 2. How many have attended just one school? This is easy. So we take 620 minus 279 to get the answer. So let's do it. 620 minus 279. This will change to 10, 1, and 11, and 5, right? So 3, 4, 1. So 341 students have attended just one school. Very, very easy. All right, let's go to question 8 now. Question 8. All right, guys, let's do this together. So how do you pronounce this name? Hurrah. So Hurrah has 120 baseball cards, right? She gives 20 or 25% of them away. So 25 over 100 times 120. This will cut. This will change to 5, change to 2, change to 1, change to 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Now, how many cards does Hurrah have left? So 120 minus 30 is equal to 90. So Hurrah has 90 cards left. All right, guys, let's go to the last question. Kaboom. Which would you rather have? 90% of 70 or 15% of 500? Okay, so let's take a look at it. Let's calculate both. So 90 over 100 times 70. And then the other one is 15 over 100 times 500. All right, let's see. Kaboom, kaboom, cut, cut. Kaboom, kaboom, cut. 9 times 7 is $63. Now for the next one, cut, cut. Zeros will cut. 15 times 5 is $75. So which would you take, Mint? Do you take $63 or do you take $75? Which one do you want? 75. Really good. So I would take 15% of 500. Kaboom. There we go. Make sure you guys go and study. All right. That is all for today, guys. You guys can go.
Bye bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.